Hello everybody and welcome to the build an e-commerce website in Django part 2. So in our last video we installed Django and then we configured our new app base in the installed apps in settings.py. So in this we're just gonna build out our products and we're gonna display them on the main home page. So first let's go ahead and build out our database. So we go into the base. And first of all, what we have to do is inside this website, we go into these URLs. Wait, let me remove all this annoying stuff from here. Okay, so what we do is that I say in here, we're gonna include a library in here. So now what we're gonna do is, we have to let the Django know that this base has a URLs.py. So to do that, we have to do path, and then this comma include, and we're gonna include the base.urls. Okay, so once I do that, now what I could do is I could go into the base and I'm gonna create a new file. I'm gonna call this one urls.py, and we'll deal with this later. So but for now, let's go into this models.py and build out our database. So first, we need like a model for the product. So let's go ahead and build that out. So class product, and this is going to be a models.model, and then this is going to have a title will be the models.character field, and it will have a max length of 300. And then we need let's see, the description will be the models text field, and let's see it, text field. And then we need the price will be a float field, and then yeah, the price. What else do we need? I think, yeah, yep, we have this. And category will be the, actually we'll do the category later, but for now I'll just do the price. And then oh yeah, we also need the image. So the image will be a models.url field. And yeah, okay, yep. So we have that, and the color will be models.character field. And let's see, the size will be a models.integer field. Okay, so we do that, and once we do that, now what we have to do is we have to go into this admin.py, and we're gonna do from dot import models. So from the home directory, we're gonna import models, and we're gonna register our new model in here. So models dot product. So we're gonna get the product in here. So now what we have to do is we have to make migration. So let's clear this out and say Python manage.py make migrations. Okay, let's see what happened. Alright, so what we have to do is actually, we don't need this. We'll add it later, but for now we don't need it. So make migrations. Okay, we got a system error. Okay, so that was my bad. So a car field must have a max length attribute. So I'm gonna give this color a max length attribute of 50. Okay, there we go. So we do that, and now we migrate it. So Python image.py migrate. We do all that, and now we just have to clear this out. And now we have to create a super user so we can log in into the admin page. So what I mean is that if you go into /admin, wait, let's see. Oh, my server is not up and running. So if I go to the admin page, refresh. So we want to be able to log in here. So if we want to log in, then what we have to do is we have to create super user. So do that python range.py create super user. And now I'm just gonna do us and then my email. Now password. This could just some anything you want. Alright, now since we user created successfully, and then we don't have our server, and now we have to log in with those credentials. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so as you can see now we have the products in here. Let's go ahead and add a few products. So we could add a product. So let's give this a title. I'm gonna add a shirt. The description is going to be this is a very cool shirt. We could give the price as $50. Yeah, let's do the image. Well, let's keep the image as this, and the color could be red, and the size could be large. Oh, wait, sorry, the size has to be 5. Okay, we click on save, and okay. Oh wait, we don't want this like product object one, right? So we want it to be the product's title. So to do that, we have to do def underscore underscore str underscore underscore self, and this is going to be return self dot title. So if I do that, and if I refresh, okay, let's see what happened. Okay, there you go. Now it says shirt. Okay, so now what we have to do is we want to display this shirt on our main homepage. So to do that, let's go ahead and first configure the URLs, which we did before. And then now let's go in this URLs.py. Let's say from Django.urls, import path. And then we're going to say, sorry, import path. And now I'm going to say URL patterns will be equal to the path for this. And then from the home directory, we're going to put views. And this is going to be the views dot. We don't have anything for the views, but we'll do it later. Views, and then the name is going to be the homepage. Alright, so now inside the views, a view is like this. So if I go to any website, for example, if I go to this website, so this is a view, this is a view, so everything here is a view. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is how we create views. So def, and I'm gonna call mine home. This is gonna take a request, and we're gonna turn the render with this request, and we're gonna go to base and then home.html. Alright, we do that. Okay, and now in the URLs we just say views.home. And okay, so now we go into the base and we create a new folder. They call it templates. And then inside the templates we create again a folder called base. Inside the base we're going to create a new file called home.html. Okay, so also in the views, first we have to import the product model. It's actually from dot. We're gonna import the models, and what I'm gonna say is I'm gonna say the product will be equal to the models dot product. Yeah, the models are product. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say product dot objects dot yeah. Now I'm gonna say can wait, let's see, product underscore count equals to product dot count. And now I'm gonna say context equals to, I'm gonna give space, some space between this, wait, yep, and now I'm gonna say the product, and then um the product count. So this is actually a dictionary, so product, and then the product count for this. Now we're gonna configure these two things, and no, first we have to pass in our context in here, and now we're gonna configure this context in the home.html. So let's go ahead and do that. First, wait, actually, before we create a home.html, let's create a new file called the base.html. Yeah. Well, actually, we'll create a base.html later, but yeah, we'll create it later. But for now, in the home.html, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna display the product. So I'm just gonna say I'm gonna write some Django template language code. So I'm gonna support. Wait before we do that, I'm gonna say uh, product. Wait, actually, h1 tag, and then I'm gonna say um product underscore count products found. So then it's going to do the number of products, and now it's going to say for each product, actually for each item in this product. I'm going to end that for loop, and for, and then I'm going to say item dot title, and then the item dot description. Then I think what was next? Let me check the models. Item description, price, image, color, and size. So price, and then a image tag. So image source will be item dot image, and now the size, item dot size. Wait, actually item dot color, and now the item dot size. So let's go ahead and check this out. This looks. So refresh, and there we go. So it says one products found shirt, and it says the title. This is a very cool shirt, and then it says $50. We'll style this out later, but for now this should be fine. Let me just add like some break tags between this, so it looks a lot more cleaner. Yeah, we'll style this out using some CSS in the next video, but let me just add some break tags for now. So it just looks a little bit cleaner. And if I refresh, now there we go. It looks kind of better. Wait, let me actually add like an $sign over here. So, and if I refresh, okay, I don't know, we have to put a $sign before that. Okay, there we go. And now we have a $sign before that. And this, I think, image is kind of too big, so we could give this a width of 500. So we do that, and if I refresh, okay, we have one product found. The shirt, this is a very cool shirt. This is this many dollars, and then this is the color, and that's okay. So we did that. We'll sell this out in the next video. And thank you guys very much for watching. Make sure to smash that like button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.